Hello guys, first of all a very good morning to all of you. This is the most important current affairs session for 5 November 2019. Well, so guys, if you have not already subscribed this channel, do subscribe it. And also we have a GK session and the link for the same I am giving in the description below. You can check it, and that those GKs are important for your upcoming APSC and UPSC and other competitive examinations. So let's start today's session. First current affair. As part of Union government's Ek Bharat Shreshtha Bharat initiative, the state of Odisha is tagged with Maharashtra to organize different programs to promote art, culture and tourism of their respective states. So Odisha is tagged with Maharashtra. Next, India's first ever Arts Exposition for talents with intellectual challenges called eCAPA 2019. Art from the Heart was inaugurated in New Delhi. eCAPA, eCAPA 2019, Art from the Heart was inaugurated in New Delhi. The 27-year-old Madhuri Vijay has won the JCB Prize for Literature 2019 for her debut novel, The Far Field. The Far Field. Madhuri Vijay, JCB Prize for Literature 2019. Vice President M Venkaiah Naidu unveiled the Red Atlas Action Plan Map Atlas and the Coastal Flood Warning System app, that is CFLOWS Chennai, for flood mitigation in Chennai, Tamil Nadu. The CFLOWS Chennai is a complete webGIS-based decision support system. It can be used both for mitigation planning operations before flooding as well as in real time for aspects like relief work. So, Red Atlas Action Plan Map and CFLOWS Chennai. Next, on November 3, 2019, the Union Minister of State for AYUSH inaugurated the National Research Institute of Unani Medicine for Skin Disorders. Okay, so you know the National Research Institute of Unani Medicine is at Hyderabad. Next, the NCRB, that is National Crime Record Bureau, has released its crime data of 2017 recently, and the cybercrime rate is the number of cybercrimes taking place per 1 lakh populations, and the data show the number of cybercrimes in Assam in 2017 at 1,120 cases with a rate of 3.4 against the all India rate of 1.7. So it is very comparatively weak with respect to the average all India rate. And Assam has been placed second next to only Karnataka in cyber crimes. Okay. Next. The Electoral Literacy Club, that is ELC, under the SVEEP. SVEEP stands for Systematic Voters Education and Electoral Participation Initiative of the Election Commission of India, ECI, is a platform to engage students through interesting activities and hands-on experience to sensitize them on their electoral rights and familiarize them with the electoral process of registration and voting. Now, awareness program on electoral verifications program is held in Sivasagar, Assam. Okay, so ELC stands for Electoral Literacy Club, and SVEEP, that is Systematic Voters Education Electoral Participation. Okay. So this was the last current affair from last class. The next ASEAN Summit is to be conducted in Vietnam in which year? Option A 2020, option B 2021, option C 2022 and option D none of the above. So you need to answer this question through comments, and I'll respond to those comments. So guys, meet you tomorrow in the next lecture. Till then, take care. Bye bye.